Let's start. Number 1, Coal India Limited. It's a state-owned coal mining company that produces and sells coal in India and abroad, and has a current dividend yield of around 7.6%. So number 1 dividend yield company fundamentally strong is Coal India Limited. Number 2, Power Finance Corporation Limited, PFC. It is a leading financial institution that provides financial and advisory service to the Indian power sector. PFC has a strong balance sheet, consistent earning growth, and has a current dividend yield is 8.2%. So 2 is PFC. Number 3 is Rural Electrification Corporation Limited, shortly REC Limited. It's a financial institution that provides financing for rural electrification projects in India. REC Limited has a strong competitive position, generates stable cash flow, and has a current dividend yield of around 9.2%. Number 4 is Oil India Limited, OIL. It's a state-owned oil and gas company that explores, develops and produces crude oil and natural gas. Oil India Limited has a strong competitive position, generates significant free cash flow, and has a current dividend yield of around 6.7%. Number 5 is NMDC Limited. It's a state-owned mineral exploration company that explores and produces iron ore, copper and other minerals in India. NMDC Limited has a strong balance sheet, consistent earnings growth, and has a current dividend yield of around 6.2%. Number 6, Power Grid Corporation of India, Power Grid, shortly Power Grid, state-owned electricity utility company that transmits and distributes electricity across India. Power Grid has strong competitive position, generates stable cash flow, and has current dividend yield of around 5.6%. Number 7 is Hindustan Zinc Limited, Hind Zinc in short, a subsidiary of Vedanta Resources Limited that enhances in the exploration, mining and smelting of zinc, lead and silver. Hindustan Zinc has a strong competitive position, consistent earning growth, and has current dividend yield of around 6.8%. Number 8, National Aluminium Company Limited, NALCO. It's a state-owned aluminium company that produces and sells alumina and aluminium products. NALCO has a strong competitive position, generates stable cash flow, and has a current dividend yield of around 6.4%. Number 9 is Gujarat Mineral Development Corporation Limited, GMDC in short. It's a state-owned mineral exploration and mining company that explores and produces lignite, bauxite and other minerals. GMDC has strong competitive position, consistent earnings growth, and has a current dividend yield of around 5.5%. Number 10 is NHPC Limited. NHPC is a state-owned hydro power generation company that generates and sells electricity generated from hydroelectric power plants. NHPC has strong competitive position, generates stable cash flow, and has a current dividend yield of around 5.6%. So please note that any investment decision should be made after conducting by your own research and considering your individual financial goals and risk tolerance. Again, please keep in mind that past performance is not indicative of future results, and any investment decision should be made after conducting your own thorough research and considering your own financial goal and risk tolerance. So, however, this is the past performance, not the future. Anyway, what the lists we have produced, top 10, most of the stocks are power based stocks and the natural product stocks. Coal India number 1, that is a gold producing company, gold mining company. It will also that results the power generation, right? Then Oil India Limited, it will produce the oil and as well as natural gas. Then remaining things are power related companies. Then other things are mining and minerals related company, right? So everything is depends on the natural resources. So it's a somewhat strong fundamentals. So that's why I have searched for fundamental should be strong and dividend also somewhat better dividend. So this is the results, top 10 results of fundamentally strong, high dividend yielding companies in India. So thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do subscribe our channel.